treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Dodge Dart. This four-door, five-passenger sedan leads among competitors in its segment. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Dodge infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rearview mirror, front fog lights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and a split folding rear seat. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.